Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Custom Trail Boss. Comes equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as off-road suspension with 2-inch lift kit, spray bed liner with tonneau cover, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and so much more. Come check it out. All right, moving on to the interior, we're going to have these all black doors with tons of extra storage and paneling on the bottom here, accompanied by the speakers. Comes up here to the power locks, power mirrors, and your power windows with the chrome accent handle. And you're going to have the 40-20-40 bench split seat with driver adjustable lumbar. Very comfortable. Left side, you're going to have your trailer mode as well as your 2- and 4-wheel drive and your lighting controls just below. Left side of the steering wheel, you're going to have your cruise control and your forward collision alert. That's pretty much it with the custom Trail Boss. It's pretty basic. With the odometer, you can pretty much access all of your vehicle information in kind of a painful way. You're going to have your trip 1, trip 2 fuel range, as well as your timer, tire pressure, oil life, air filter life, your following distance for your forward collision alert, transmission fluid, and other information as well. It's going to be push to start with the classic column truck shifter. Down below, you're going to have your integrated brake controller, as well as 2 USB ports and an AC wall charger with a 12-volt DC port right next to it. Lane keep assist, auto stop, as well as your rear lift gate control and hill descent control. Of course, the climate control, and up top here onto the infotainment system, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with built-in Wi-Fi hotspot and OnStar services and navigation. And you can also access your rear camera with hitch guidance. So with the bench split seat, you're gonna have lots of extra storage on top of the seat, storage inside. Lift it up. You're gonna have storage under the seat as well. To get the seat back down, just find the little tab, pull it, right back down. Passenger side, manually adjustable. You're gonna have that same finish with the double glove box here, speakers up top, as well as some storage above. And you can access your OnStar services and your SOS, as well as your reading lamps. You're gonna have these 18-inch blacked out alloy wheels running on Goodyear Wrangler Territory tires. You're gonna have your Z701 badging with the black hood scoop, the black plastic mirror caps and door handles as well. Tonneau cover in the back, courtesy of Chevrolet. You're gonna have the corner step black bumpers with the chrome exhaust, as well as your trailer hitch and your 5th wheel just under. Of course, the easy lift. You're gonna have 2 LED lamps as well as an AC wall charger with 12 bed tie downs. It's a very spacious rear. And moving on to the rear, again, paneling and storage on the bottom, accompanied by the speakers. Comes up here to the power windows with the chrome accent handle. It's crew cab, lots of extra room, storage behind the passenger and driver's seat with rear ventilation and USB ports down below. Unfortunately, no cup holder and armrest, but you're gonna have storage right under the seats as well. Of course, lamps up top and handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Custom Trail Boss. It comes equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine, as well as spray and bed liner with tonneau cover, off-road suspension with 2-inch lift, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, integrated brake controller, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.